Let me remind you, while you're watching this video, thousands of people around the world are making over $1,000 a day, and they don't have a single employee. No office, no payroll, no staff meetings, just a smart setup that runs itself using artificial intelligence tools most people still don't know how to use. And no, I'm not talking about starting a YouTube channel, becoming a designer, or selling ebooks. These are real, scalable business models that can operate 24/7 once you set them up right. Let's break down 5 of them. Every major tech company trains its artificial intelligence systems using labeled data. Think of it like feeding examples to a child so it can learn faster. But here's the catch. They need massive amounts of this labeled data, and companies are willing to pay well for accuracy and speed. You can build a small automation-based data labeling service using existing open-source models that detect and pre-label things like images, texts, or sounds. You then refine the results using minimal manual checking. Businesses pay you per labeled dataset. The beauty? You don't need to hire people for repetitive tasks. You can handle entire projects using platforms that automatically label datasets and export them into formats that big companies need. With a few recurring clients, making $1,000 a day is not far-fetched, especially when you're serving tech firms, research labs, and analytics companies. Ever heard a celebrity voice reading an ad that you're pretty sure they didn't record? That's because brands are now using cloned voices to create ultra-personalized audio campaigns. You can start a micro-agency that creates realistic voice clones for businesses that want to sound personal without paying real voice actors each time. You simply record 60 to 90 seconds of a client's voice, train the model, and deliver voiceovers in any script or language. Small businesses love this. Think real estate agents sending audio greetings, fitness trainers with daily motivational messages, or podcasters who want multilingual versions of their shows. The setup cost is low, and each project can easily bring in $300 to $800. With multiple clients, you'll be crossing 4 figures in a day before you realize it. Here's a boring but powerful niche: document automation. Every company, from banks to real estate agencies, deals with mountains of paperwork, invoices, contracts, purchase orders, legal documents. The list never ends. You can offer a service that automatically extracts key data from these documents using machine learning tools. Think of it as a virtual assistant that reads and organizes PDFs, Excel sheets, or scan documents faster than any human could. Your clients don't even need to know what's happening behind the scenes. They just care that you save them time and money. You can charge per document batch or set up monthly automation retainers. Businesses in accounting, logistics, or insurance will pay premium rates because it reduces their manual labor instantly. This model doesn't require employees, only your initial setup and maintenance. And once a few clients are on board, it runs itself. Let's talk about something totally overlooked: local business reputation. Restaurants, clinics, gyms, and car washes all rely heavily on customer reviews, right? You can create a reputation management service powered by artificial intelligence that automates review collection, filters fake or spam reviews, and generates smart replies to every comment on Google and Yelp. Imagine a restaurant owner getting professional, polite, and consistent responses to every customer without lifting a finger. The system sends personalized thank you messages, suggests improvements, and even predicts unhappy customers before they leave a bad review. You can easily charge $300 to $500 per location per month, manage 5 to 10 clients, and you're over $1,000 a day with 0 staff. Here's one for entrepreneurs who love spotting trends. Market research is the heartbeat of every business decision, and it's painfully slow when done manually. But with modern artificial intelligence models, you can analyze hundreds of products, keywords, or competitors within minutes. Create a small research service where you provide clients with trend insights, pricing analysis, and customer sentiment summaries. For example, if a skincare brand wants to know what people think about a new ingredient, your system can scan thousands of reviews, social media posts, and news mentions to produce a detailed report, all within a few hours. You can charge $500 to $2,000 per report, depending on how deep your research goes. Once you've built the process, it's fully automated. And because every company from e-commerce to finance needs updated insights, your client pool never runs dry. Notice something? None of these require you to design logos, write blog posts, or make TikToks. These are invisible back-end businesses that solve real problems for real clients, and they scale beautifully. Once you've built your first workflow and found your first client, your systems can do the heavy lifting while you focus on growth. The goal isn't just to use artificial intelligence, it's to partner with it, turning automation into a silent employee that works 24/7 without complaining, taking breaks, or asking for a raise. The truth is, making $1,000 a day online is a matter of building smart systems that businesses can't live without. Artificial intelligence just happens to be the best assistant you'll ever have. So don't look for shortcuts or viral trends. Look for real problems that you can automate, scale, and repeat. That's where the long-term money is. And that's how you build a business that quietly earns while you sleep.